Key features of Sumitomo Electric Works robot cables. 1. Superior bending and torsion resistance. Designed specifically for robot joints, some composite cables can withstand over 1 million bends and torsions, ensuring durability under frequent movement. To ultrafine wire diameter and lightweight design, offers ultrafine specifications such as AWG18 AWG40 and AWG44. Ideal for wiring in confined spaces within robots or dexterous hands, effectively saving space. 3. High-performance environmental and heat resistance. Addresses the heat generated by joint servo motors during prolonged operation, offering high heat resistance specifications, for example, 150 degrees centigrade DC 1 to ensure stable operation even in high-temperature environments. 4. Multifunctional composite design. Integrates multiple cable specifications, for example, AWG18 AWG30, through composite cables, for example, AWG18 AWG30, enabling the simultaneous transmission of multiple signal rates in a single cable bundle, simplifying wiring. 5. Interference resistance and signal integrity. The composite cable features a shielding layer, tinned copper braid, PTFE wrapping design, providing excellent interference resistance and ensuring stable signal transmission. 2. Product advantages for customer trust. Sumitomo's strength. When recommending to customers, emphasize the following 4 core values to enhance their confidence in choosing the product. High mobility and durability. The product not only withstands bending and torsion but also possesses abrasion resistance, such as the UL1867 series, significantly reducing robot maintenance, frequency, and downtime risks. Flexible customization capabilities. Electric emphasizes customization welcome, providing the most suitable solutions based on the specific structure, transmission rate, and distance of the customer's robot, even including AOC photoelectric conversion cables. Space optimization expert. Through ultrafine wire diameter and composite cable structure, we help customers accommodate more functional wiring within the limited robot volume, solving the pain point of congested wiring. Professional technical backing. As a product of the Sumitomo Electric Industries Group, it adheres to stringent industrial standards such as WM1867 and provides dedicated wiring for different components: head camera, wrist, quadrupeds, articulated motors, demonstrating mature technology and clearly defined application scenarios. Sumitomo Electric provides more than just wires. It offers a systematic wiring solution addressing the 3 major challenges of humanoid robots: high dynamics, confined spaces, and high heat resistance. Whether it's the precise control of dexterous hands or the high load transmission of articulated motors, Sumitomo Electric ensures long-term stable robot operation through customized services.